मैं दे दूंगा.
If we are referring to a
This is all available on the internet. So
it is, then we.
जी मैं बिल्कुल दे दूंगा.
They don't have internet access here.
सर यहाँ तो अभी शायद लाइट भी चली गई. अच्छा सर पेज 1 काइंडली.
ये बिजली क्या जनरेटर पे नहीं है?
पूरा
जनरेटर पे क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
सफोकेशन हो जाएगा.
ये एक सेकंड, मगर ये कुछ तो चल रहा है, ये टीवी वगैरह तो चल रहे हैं, लाइट चल रही है. आई थिंक ओनली एसी है स्टॉप.
एसी बंद हो गया.
हाँ लाइट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Sir, at page number 1 is the first critical document, which is how the election process started. 15 December 2023, the schedule is given. And if you, I won't read the entire document, but in relation to this case, if your lordship.
Serial number 2 is also relevant.
जी.
Serial number 2. Date of filing of nomination paper.
ये फाइलिंग ये एक्सटेंड हो गया था 2 दिन से 22 से 24 तक. जो इसमें नहीं है वो एसीपी ने अपने ऑर्डर में वो किया हुआ है.
What do you want to show from this
Sir,
document?
this is the entire schedule.
Okay.
कितने कैंडिडेट आजाद खड़े थे,
वो आगे वाले
कितने पार्टी से एफिलेटेड.
जी.
This will show the nomination paper.
जी.
Last final list of the.
Your lordship had raised 2 very important questions, but the central question arises that a party.
Important dates बता देना where you're going to start your case from, so that we know where you are.
जी तो ये 15 दिसंबर को शेड्यूल इशू हुआ एंड जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स थे वो फाइल होते थे 22 तक.
से 24
जी. Because the election commission order denying the PTI, the symbol came on the 22nd of December 2023. So we had actually submitted our list for reserved seats for both women and non-Muslims by the 22nd.
with the affiliation certificate of.
Yes. So this. Now I come to page 2, sir. ये मैंने एज अ सैंपल के तौर पे लगाया है सर सिर्फ कि ये जो अनाउंस होते हैं रिजल्ट, बिकॉज हिज लॉर्डशिप इट इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट द अनाउंसमेंट ऑल्सो.
आपने ये बताया ना कि इसके बाद 2 दिन एक्सटेंड हुए फॉर
जी
फाइलिंग नॉमिनेशन
जी.
और उसके बाद ये
ठीक है सर. फिर
just go through this thing.
जी.
First is the important one is the nomination paper last filing date.
जी.
Then the names of the candidates are published.
जी.
In the newspaper. Number 3.
No, they are published on the website, I think.
When I keep going through it, then comes last date of scrutiny.
जी. जो हमारे लिए important date है.
No, एक second.
जी.
Scrutiny also of the women and the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's then appeals. Then last date of appeals, publication revised list of candidates. Last date of withdrawal of candidature.
Revised list 12
Document election symbol to contesting candidates at polling day. Correct.
ठीक. Sir, if your lordship may kindly see, सिर्फ मैं page 2 इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ.
Sorry, just 1 minute. In this schedule, in the publication of revised list of candidates, are the reserved lists also published or not?
They are published as far as I am aware. They are like any other candidate, sir. जी.
So the revised list includes the reserves.
Yes.
आपका कहना है कि नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स से पहले पार्टी ने लिस्ट भी देनी है और अपने कैंडिडेट रिजर्व सीट के लिए नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स भी आने हैं.
जी लिस्ट भी देनी है और नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स.
ये तो शुरू में ही देनी है ना 104 के तहत, सेक्शन 104 के तहत.
जी.
बिफोर इलेक्शन.
जी.
नहीं उनको भी उसी 62 और 63 के तहत करना पड़ेगा.
दिस इज द लॉ. जब मैं वो सेक्शन पढ़ूंगा तो दे गो थ्रू द same scrutiny.
For the PTI, did the revised lists contain the reserve list
Ji.
candidates.
Ji. I would have filed that, but our office has been sealed. So all our documents are in that office. That is why we are handicapped, but they are with the Election Commission.
No.
They can provide.
देखिए, I don't make such statement, fleeting statement. If you want an order, we'll pass an order. If you
Sir, अगर
don't,
DC
नहीं, देखिए ऐसे ना करें, ऐसे आपने by the way kind of thing है, you filing a document which if your case is affected by it, we would want your document to
Sir,
be.
I should have access to those documents.
How will we know, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui? There's only one way to know things, that is by filing something in the court.
चेयरमैन सर, बात दुरुस्त है ना, सील्ड है उसमें डॉक्यूमेंट्स।
I don't want him to address, please, you answer. ये ना करें।
जी, डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं।
ये बातें नहीं, आपको एप्लीकेशन देना है, दीजिए।
जी, मैं दे दूंगा बिल्कुल।
ये ऐसे, but don't make these statements are not part of the record.
जी, मैं बिल्कुल एप्लीकेशन।
Next, each time you'll say this document is
नहीं।
ये ना करना। I will certainly give you access.
नहीं,
If there is a genuine, if there's an application, अभी order कर देंगे उस पे।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm very grateful, sir.
So let's go by the documents on record.
जी।
हाँ।
सर, पेज 2 पे ये मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट सिर्फ इसलिए लगाया।
Just before going to page 2, now you've told us, I assume these are your instructions, that at page 1, item serial number 7, that is dated 11/1/2024. You said that the entire schedule was pushed forward by 2 days, is that?
2 days. This is noted in the Election Commission's order.
So your instructions are that the revised lists for PTI, revised list of candidates included the reserved.
The list of candidates included.
PTI.
Yes.
And at some point in time, then PTI lost its election symbol.
On 22nd.
22nd of,
December 2023, that is the original order of the Election Commission.
not the original, the final order.
The final order. That's the final order of the election. Then it was this was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, which set aside the order, and then on 13 January 2020.
Ultimately, the order is of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
What date is that order?
13 January 2024.
ये डेट्स पहले गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप। ये 22nd को क्या था? व्हाट हैपेंड इन कमीशन इलेक्शन?
22nd December 2024 is the 2023. I'm sorry.
This is when the election commission passed an order.
Yes, my lord.
That was the last date for filing nomination.
Yes, but we had filed our list for reserve seats. On instructions, I say that. Then, my lord, that was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, and the Peshawar High Court, through a short order dated 10 January 2024, set aside the order of the Election Commission. And then an appeal was filed by the Election Commissions, and your lordships were pleased to set aside that order at 13th January 2024.
ये सवाल आप नोट कर लें, अभी जवाब देना चाहिए या बाद में देना चाहिए? क्या ये सिंबल लेने के बाद एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो कि आइन के आर्टिकल 17 के तहत और इलेक्शन एक्ट के तहत बनी थी, उसका वजूद बरकरार था या खत्म हुआ?
इसमें एक जो प्रिसाइज क्वेश्चन,
और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये कि क्या सिंबल लेने के बाद उसके जो बकाया हकूक इलेक्शन लॉज में दिए गए थे, क्या वो हकूक भी सल्ब हुए, या वो इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट कर सकती थी, वो सर्टिफिकेट कैंडिडेट को जारी कर सकती थी, वो कैंडिडेट को मुकर्रर कर सकती थी? क्या उस ऑर्डर के तहत किसी कैंडिडेट पे पाबंदी थी कि आप फलां पार्टी से इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ सकते? ये सारी बातें, क्या उसका इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ ये था कि सिंबल जो कि एक पार्टी को सहूलत के लिए दी जाती है कि आप कैंपेन चला सकते हैं, इसके अलावा उसकी क्या रिपरकशन, जिसको पेश ऐसा किया गया कि पार्टी खत्म हो गई और जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकाल दिया? क्या ये सारी बातें हैं?
ये बताइए,
निकला, किसी ने पढ़ा उसको?
इज पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ today an enlisted party of election commission ki?
Yes.
So that answers the question.
And I think all your lordship, ji, sir.
Coming off from what my learned colleagues are saying, I think we have, speaking for myself, we have to keep always in mind that we are looking at the question before us in a very specific and limited context. which is allocation of reserved seats.
Yes.
Nothing beyond that. And that para D of clause 6 speaks of a political party. So for me, the question is, what, for purposes of that clause, is a political party?
Yes.
For purposes of distribution of the reserved seats, maintaining proportionality, because seems to me that if you look at